gon' get rich quicker. From the land, ain't no city bigger. Foreign cars pulling in a villa. Who smelling good? I'm that nigga.
Boy, where you been? Where you been?
Ain't heard from you in a while, boy. Where you been?
Nah, I'm cool.
What's up? Big boss. I do colognes, alright? Look though, check this out. I got a lot of friends that come over when they going on dates. They always grabbing my scents, spraying it on, going on their dates, having a real good time. But you know what I'm saying, Christmas coming up, gift giving is coming up, Father's Day, it might be birthdays. You might have friends that have no fragrances. What are some good gift fragrances to get to your friends to start off their collection? Yeah, on the right video. Let's get into it. All right, straight out the gate. You got to think of fragrances like this, okay? Fresh scents are universally known to be bangers, right? Dior Sauvage is the most popular scent known to man. So if you want to get your friend a fragrance, you just get him Dior Sauvage. Everybody already got it. You already know it can get compliments. Women like it. It smell good. Yeah, he probably gonna smell like a lot of people, but you know, I don't really think he care. He just want to smell good. So safe bet to do is Dior Sauvage. But what if you one of them like real particular friends that like to go against the grain? Like, I don't want to get him Dior Sauvage because everybody else got Dior Sauvage. I'm gonna get him Blue de Chanel. Like everybody else ain't got Blue de Chanel, but this is a real good starter to a collection as gift. Fresh, sexy. At the end of the day, if you're watching the show, you already got you like a little collection going on, so you know what Blue de Chanel smell like, and you probably had Blue de Chanel as one of your first scents. Get your friend Blue de Chanel for his birthday. You know what I mean? But what if you was Big Boss's friend? What if you my friend? I'm getting you Paco Rabanne's 1 million parfum. I gotta get you the best out. This is my favorite scent of all time. So if you my friend, this is what's gonna be in your little Easter basket. Sexiest, it gets you a lot of compliments. Another fragrance that just came out this year that get a lot of compliments is Royale. So if you already really like parfum and you don't want your friend smelling like you, get him Royale. Tad bit different, just as many compliments, if you know what I mean. Cause boy, where you been? Now, what if you a player? Valentino's is for players. Now, you can get anyone. I say stick with like Curl Fantasy if you wanted to get him something for his birthday. Damn, my bottle of Curl Fantasy have gone. Ain't that bottle beep bop boop bop boop bop wanga wanga? All right, yeah, I gotta give me another bottle of Curl Fantasy. Great gift for your friend though. Real good gift. Another gift your fragrance friend would like would be a YSL. If I was gonna say a safe YSL to buy your friend, I'll probably just go with the EDP. Like, yeah, YSL YEDP. Hey, y'all know it's a new YSL line coming out? I'm gonna talk about that tomorrow. Lastly but not least, you got a friend that you gotta give a gift to. Zara the Most Wanted. Sexy, gourmand, women love it. Go out there and make your friend smell good. Wait. Don't go nowhere. Jean Paul Le Male Elixir, banger. You can get that as well for your friend as a gift. 6 fragrances, or was that 7? I think it was 7. Who knows? 7 fragrances for your friend. Now he smell good. You a great friend. Now if y'all go to the club, y'all go kick it, you ain't gotta worry about him smelling like t-shirts and skin and air. He'll actually have some substance to his flavor. Okay? I'm Big Boss. If you like this review, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Add me on PlayStation, Chris CEO. I've been playing Fortnite doing my thing. Also, add me on TikTok. It's blowing up. Got 2,000 followers on TikTok. I don't know about you, but that's a lot to me. Okay? I'm trying to get to 10,000 on TikTok soon so I can get monetized on TikTok and start collecting that cheddar. You feel me? You feel me? Because boy, where you been? Where you been? Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.
check.